Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the slope of the line tangent, but now this is about inverse functions. So now I will show you the answer. We need to find first the derivative of inverse functions. That should be about 1 over first derivative of f and the value of this 1. So we got about 1 over first derivative of the value of y. This is the formula in here. Now we need to change s into 27, and this is about 27. So this is about y of this one is about 4, and we know that first derivative of this original function is about 3x minus 1 to the power of 2. Now we have number 4, we put in here, and you got about 1 over 27. That's the end. Thank you for watching.